Question 8. A curve C has equation y equal f of x, where f of x is a polynomial function in x. Given that f dash, this is dy by dx, equal 2 times bracket 3x minus 2 bracket x plus 5. Deduce the range of values of x for which y is decreasing. Y is decreasing when the gradient is negative. Gradient is negative. This is where the curve is decreasing. And who is the gradient? F dash of x. F dash of x is dy by dx is the gradient. So we'll just make f dash of x smaller than 0. This is part A. 2 times 3x minus 2 times x plus 5 is smaller than 0. This is a quadratic function. A quadratic function is smaller than 0. X is between the great and the small. X is between the big and the small. The big is 2 over 3. 2 over 3 because it is positive, and the small is negative 5. This is the answer of part A. Given further that C cuts the x-axis at 7 over 2. State a factor of f of x, giving the answer in the form of ax plus b, where a and b are integers, 1 mark. Because it is very easy. You will not do integration right now. It's just saying that you will cut the x-axis at 7 over 2. This means that a factor will definitely be 2x minus 7. This factor is responsible for this point, the 7 over 2, where you will cut the x-axis. Fine. Then in part C, hence find an expression for f of x. In part C, integrate. And he wants the answer in a fully factorized form. We will integrate f dash of x. In order to integrate, we will first expand the brackets. So in part C, f dash of x is 2 times 3x, 6x, 2 times negative 2, negative 4, times x plus 5. Expand further, so f dash of x will be 6x times x is 6x squared, 6x times 5 plus 30x, negative 4 times x minus 4x, negative 4 times 5, negative 20. So finally, f dash of x is equal to 6x squared plus 26x minus 20. Now let's integrate. So integration f dash of x, which is equal f of x, will yield to f of x. Integrate, add the power and divide by the new power. Add the power, it will be x power 3. Divide by the new power, 6 over 3, or 6 divide 3 is 2. So it is 2x cubed plus, add the power, this is power 1. Add the power, x power of 2, 26 over 2, 13. Negative 20x. Integration of constant is putting x beside it. Then plus c. Plus c. C is the constant. And we have been given that c cuts the x-axis at 7 and 2. This means that there is a point where the x-coordinate is 7 and 2 and the y-coordinate is 0. I can use this point in order to find the c. Substitute the x by 7 over 2, so 7 over 2 power of 3 plus 13 times 7 over 2 power of 2 minus 20 times 7 over 2 plus the constant c equal to 0. So c is equal negative 175. Move all that to the other side and you will find c to be negative 175. This is f of x. Now f of x is equal to 2x cubed plus 13x squared minus 20x minus 175. He wants the final answer in a fully factorized form. How to factorize this? Mod 5 4, maybe someone would say mod 5 4, but you will not get the full mark. So how are we going to get the full mark? We will do long division by the factor that we know, which is 2x minus 7. This is the factor, because C cuts the x-axis at 7 over 2. So 2x minus 7, and inside here our function, copy and paste. Let's do the long division. 2x cubed, divide the first by the first. 2x cubed divided 2x is x squared. Then multiply x squared times 2x, 2x cubed. X squared times negative 7, negative 7 x squared. Then subtract 2x cubed minus 2x cubed is 0. 13 minus 7x squared is 20. Negative negative is positive. So 20x squared and negative 20x and negative 175. Divide the first by the first. 20x squared divide 2x is 10x. So plus 10x, multiply 10x by 2x minus 7. 10x times 2x, 20x cubed squared, 10x times negative 7, negative 70x. Then subtract 20x squared minus 20x squared, 0. Negative 20 minus 70. Minus is positive, so 50x minus 175. Divide 50x by 2x. 50 divided 2 is 25. This is the quotient. If you want to multiply to make sure that the remainder is 0, it will definitely be 0. 25 times 2x is 50x. 25 times negative 7 is negative 175, and the remainder is definitely 0, because we are dividing by a factor from the beginning. Now the function is 2x minus 7 times the quotient, which is x squared plus 10x plus 25. Mod 5 3 in the calculator. This you can do it mod 5 3 in the calculator, or simply it is x plus 5 power 2, by the way, because this expansion seems like the x squared plus 2xy plus y squared, the expansion of x plus y squared, which is x plus 5 squared. And this is 2x minus 7. This is the final answer. You can check it on the calculator. Mod 5 3 1 10 25 negative 5, and x2 also equal negative 5. You have one solution. This means that the solution is repeated, so it is x plus 5 squared. Now let's move to question 9.